Running a successful partner program can significantly boost your business's growth, and PartnerStack makes it easier than ever. Whether you're new to partner programs or looking to optimize your existing one, this quick guide will show you how to leverage PartnerStack for maximum results. First, let's talk about the setup. PartnerStack is a platform that helps you create and manage your partner programs seamlessly. From affiliate marketers to influencers, it provides all the tools you need to build strong partnerships that drive sales and growth. With PartnerStack, you can recruit partners, track their performance, and incentivize them all in one place. Now let's dive into the key features you'll want to use to run a successful partner program. The first step is setting up your partner program within PartnerStack. Once you're in, you'll find that creating a program is straightforward. You can design customized commission structures for each type of partner, whether they're affiliates, resellers, or strategic partners. This flexibility ensures that you reward your partners for the specific value they bring to your business. Next, focus on recruiting high-quality partners. PartnerStack has tools that make it easy to reach potential partners. You can automate your partner outreach and even provide them with the resources they need to get started. The platform also allows you to create a seamless onboarding experience with easy-to-follow training materials and tutorials. One of the most powerful features of PartnerStack is its reporting and analytics. You can monitor your partner's performance in real time, seeing which partnerships are bringing in the most revenue and which might need more attention. This data is essential for optimizing your partner relationships and adjusting your strategies to ensure you're getting the most out of each partnership. But what really sets PartnerStack apart is its focus on automation. From commission payouts to partner tracking, much of the manual work is handled for you. This saves time and ensures your partners always get paid on time, which in turn helps maintain strong and productive relationships. You don't want to lose great partners because of delays or confusion around payments. As you start growing your program, it's important to keep partners engaged. PartnerStack provides tools to stay in touch with your partners through automated communication workflows. Whether it's a welcome email, a milestone update, or a reminder about an upcoming payout, you can automate most of these processes to ensure your partners stay informed and motivated. What's also great about PartnerStack is the flexibility in program design. You can choose from pre-built templates or create a completely custom program based on your needs. Whether you're offering recurring commissions, flat rate payouts, or performance bonuses, the system gives you all the flexibility you need to tailor the program to fit your business. Finally, PartnerStack isn't just about the partners, it's about your business growth too. The platform provides you with a clear view of how your partner program is impacting your bottom line. This helps you make data-driven decisions, adjusting strategies as necessary to ensure that your partner program is always working towards your business goals. Remember, you can use PartnerStack for free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. This gives you the chance to try out the software without any risk and see how it can help scale your partner program. By the way, stick around until the end of the video where I'll mention how you can get an exclusive and extended free trial of PartnerStack so you can explore even more advanced features and take your partner program to the next level. In summary, PartnerStack is an incredible tool for anyone looking to run a successful partner program. With its customizable commission structures, easy onboarding, automated processes, and data-driven insights, you'll have everything you need to build and scale a successful partner program. Be sure to check out the link below to get started today.